Most people overcomplicate wealth building. They hustle harder, chase quick money, and burn themselves out. They think they need a genius business idea, insider knowledge, or luck like being in the right startup's early IPO allocation. But here's the truth. You don't need to invent the next Apple stock to become wealthy. You need to master one boring, unsexy concept that quietly makes millionaires: compound interest. If you can understand this, if you can harness it, then you can sleep while your portfolio grows, your dividend stocks expand, and your net worth leapfrogs over time. It's not flashy, but it's the side hustle you can depend on. Because unlike most hustles, it doesn't burn out, call in sick, or get canceled. It just keeps working 24/7, year after year. Even Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest investors alive, calls compound interest the most powerful force in finance. The problem is, most people either underestimate it or don't start soon enough. So today, I'm going to break down exactly how to make compound interest your ultimate money-making ally, step by step, with simple strategies anyone can use, whether you're starting broke, juggling bills, or stacking cash already. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Now let's get started. Number 1. Stop thinking you need big money to start. People believe you need thousands of dollars before you can make your money work. That's a myth. The engine of compound interest doesn't care if it's fed pennies or millions. It just keeps multiplying. What usually happens is people wait for the perfect time. They think they'll start investing once they clear debt, get a raise, or after the next New Year resolution. But every year you wait costs you more than you realize. A 25-year-old who invests $200 a month until age 65 at an average return of 8% finishes with more than $600,000. Start just 10 years later at 35 doing the same thing. You end up with less than $300,000. Same amount invested per month. The only difference was when you started. That's why compound interest isn't about big money. It's about early money. Even small action beats waiting for some grand payday. Commit to small automatic investments today. Number 2, make your money automatic so you don't mess it up. Here's the harsh truth. People aren't bad at saving or investing because they're dumb. They're bad at it because life distracts them. A car bill comes up or your friend convinces you to join a weekend trip, and suddenly the $200 that was meant to buy you financial security is gone. That's why automation is your best wealth-building strategy. Set up automatic transfers into your investment accounts. For example, if your paycheck arrives on the 1st, schedule $50 or $200 to move straight into your brokerage account on the 2nd. You'll barely register the money missing because you never see it. The future version of you, the one who wants to own rental properties or retire from a multi-million-dollar portfolio, will silently thank you. Automation also keeps you disciplined during volatile markets. When the stock market dips, most new investors panic. But if you've automated your contributions into index funds or dividend-paying ETFs, then you're buying more shares at a discount without emotionally thinking about it. That's how true equity growth happens, steadily, consistently, automatically. Number 3, let dividends do the heavy lifting. This is where the magic really kicks in. Compound interest is powerful, but compound interest with dividends reinvested is exponential. Dividends are basically little thank you checks from companies whose stocks you own. Many people cash them out to buy something fun, but the wealthy reinvest them. Take this scenario. You own $10,000 worth of dividend stocks paying you 4% annually. That's $400 a year. If you reinvest that $400, your portfolio doesn't just sit. Next year, you earn dividends on $2,400. It snowballs, each year stacking more shares that trigger even larger dividends. It's the classic snowball rolling down a hill. The longer and steeper the slope, the bigger it gets. That's why retirees living off dividends started investing decades earlier when the snowball was small. Many entrepreneurs start businesses for passive income, but in reality, dividend portfolios are one of the cleanest passive income machines in existence. 0 employees, 0 late-night customer calls, just cash flowing in. Number 4, think in decades, not days. A story I love. A man invests $1,000 in Apple stock during its early IPO days in the 1980s. Decades later, even without additional contributions, that position is worth over $1 million, thanks to stock market appreciation and splits. He didn't panic sell during downturns. He didn't time the market. He just held. That's decades, not days. Wealth isn't built in 6 weeks challenges. It's built by setting up systems that cook slowly, like a stew left on low heat. Your job is to stay disciplined when everyone else is chasing shiny objects. Over decades, those who stuck with index funds and solid stocks see exponential wealth growth while others jump from trend to trend with nothing to show for it. The tough love reminder: if you can't be patient, you can't be rich. Number 5. Add real estate into the mix for leverage. Stocks aren't the only place compound interest shows its face. Real estate amplifies it with leverage. You put 20% down on a rental property worth $200,000. That's $40,000 cash. But if the property appreciates 4% annually, your equity is growing on the entire $200,000, not just your $40,000. That's a powerful wealth-building strategy most people overlook. On top of appreciation, you get rental income. That's cash flow that can cover expenses and fuel more investments. Add to this the fact that tenants are essentially paying off your mortgage, and suddenly, you've got a compounding machine tied to a tangible asset that you can drive by, touch, and improve. Combine this with the stock market, dividend-paying ETFs, and index funds, and you've got a diversified system where your money compounds in multiple directions. Entrepreneurs love chasing new ventures, but often the richest wealth-building strategies involve boring plays. Real estate and the S&P 500. Time trims the rest. Number 6. Treat patience like it's a skill you train. If you check your portfolio every day like you're watching an IPO launch, you'll be triggered into bad decisions. Instead, create financial rituals. Check investments monthly, not daily. Focus more on your budget and increasing contributions than refreshing stock tickers every 5 minutes. The people obsessed with daily market swings end up exhausted, while those who practice patience end up rich quietly. Think about wealth like growing an oak tree. You don't dig it up every month to see if it's growing roots. You water it, protect it, and give it sunlight. That's compound interest, slow, stubborn, untouchable over time. At some point, every wealthy person realizes the same truth. You can hustle until midnight, start e-commerce stores, or chase affiliate marketing commissions. But compound interest is the only hustle that never sleeps. It doesn't require charisma, a genius idea, or startup capital. It requires patience, discipline, and a system that runs on autopilot. If you automate small investments, reinvest your dividends, think in decades, and combine assets like index funds and rental properties, your future self will look back in shock at how far you came. You'll have passive income, financial security, and real wealth, not from grinding harder, but from letting money quietly duplicate itself over time. And if you're wondering when to start, the best answer was yesterday. The second best time is today. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like, and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you want to know about 8 dead simple habits that quietly made them wealthy, then watch this video. I'll see you there.